Hello guys, welcome to today's trade recap. I made 1100 today on the NQ. Uh, 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 let's be fast. Let's be fast. Okay. So I just cut here. Why I cannot cut? Okay. I just trade on. I mean, show you the NQ trades first. So we had an inversion on the opening candle, but I didn't trust it so much, and I wanted to maybe take this liquidity and these highs first, and actually we took them, and then we had an inverse fair value gap to the downside. So yeah, that's what I wanted to trade, and the look. I mean the kilo zones were on the downside too, and we had this low. So well, basically most of the trade that I took today were short positions. Here we had two beautiful candles. Yeah. Here is where I just like had a 1 to 2 risk reward, and I just closed the operation. I wasn't too comfy. I didn't know what were we doing, and December price action is weird, so I just took like really safe trades. I knew we were going to this Asian low. I mean, this session lows, but I don't know why did I closed. Anyways, I made some profit. I think I made 600 here. Yeah. Okay, it keep dropping. Okay, we took both the Asian and London sessions low, and yeah, I just entered just right here on the right here. Yeah, and I got stopped out on this operation. I lost too fucking much on this trade. Not gonna lie, like my risk was like a lot higher because I had this good trade and it's my evil. So when I have a good trade on the first, I mean the first trade is good. The second trade, I just like oh high my risk so maybe I can make some bigger profit. This was the first loss of the day, minus 1k. Yeah, then I had this trade. Perfect. We'll retest here. Oh my. We'll retest here on this fair value gap. Then we got an inversion, and the bias was so short, so I just kept just taking short trades. Yeah. And we took this low, and I was like, bro, what the fuck? I should close my operation, right? Yeah. And I just closed it. But it kept dropping. Unlucky me. Then yeah, we had SMT here. Okay, let me just like mark it for you. Look at this beautiful SMT, and that's when my trades changed. I was looking for longs. We took all this liquidity on NQ, and we have a beautiful SMT on the ES. So yeah, basically now I'm looking for longs. Mm, yeah, we had this retest. Oh wait, did I end it here? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, we had this beautiful retest on this fair value gap. I just waited a little bit. I just re-entered here. I think the risk reward on this trade was 1 on 1. Yeah, I made like um, I think 500 maybe more or less, kind of. Oh yeah, I made huge profit on this too. I think I made I don't know, five. No, five. No, actually, I made 1k on this trade and 500 on this. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. That's right. because I was like here, I was minus 500. When I lost this operation, I was minus 500. So yeah, actually, then I made here 1,000, and I was already 500 on profit. Then I had this trade, one-on-one trade, pretty nice, not gonna lie. And that's how I get like a thousand on profits day. Yeah. So let's keep going. A one-on-one risk reward, actually pretty nice. Oh, you cannot see it, but it's right here. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. And I was looking for some longs still. I made a trade here. Okay, let me show you. But on ES, because I thought ES was better, and ES sometimes like moves better in this situation, so I just traded ES. Yeah, on this inversion, I just entered on a long, looking for these highs, and if I hit this TP, I would have done exactly 3K, but unluckily we didn't hit it. Oh, I mean, we started good, we were respecting bullish fair value gaps, we were looking for highs, but I think we had here yeah, an inversion on the 5 minutes. So yeah, basically I got stopped out here on a break even, and that's everything. So now look at these guys. I'm basically $2,700 away of passing my funded account, and yeah, I think that's everything. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow, I guess.